How can data be described by one number? Think about this question during the lesson. Trey listed in order the playing times for the best-selling CD of each music type. How can he describe the data with one number?
Okay, this already has the numbers in order, but as you know, if they are not in order, that is always your first step. When you're given a set of data, a set of numbers, and you're asked to find these things, you always put them in order first.
Think about Trey's data. What is one number you can use to describe the data? Mean or average is the one number that can describe a set of data. List the data from least to greatest. Then find the median for the set of data.
Median means what, Abby? Middle number.
Identify the median or the middle data value in an odd-numbered, ordered set of data.
Okay, that only works for an odd number. When you have an odd numbers set in your data, meaning you have an odd number here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is odd. We had to have an odd number of numbers in our data. Then that works that we have only one number as the median. But we said yesterday, if it happens that you have an even number of numbers in your set of data, you need to find the number that is directly between the two. Sometimes that's easy, like if you have 6 and 7, then you know that your median is going to be 6.5, 6.5, because that's directly between 6 and 7. Sometimes it's harder, like if you have a number 23 and then it jumps to 47. What is our way to figure out the median when you have two numbers in the middle? What's the surefire way to always get your right answer, Destiny? Nope, not divide. Kyle?
23 plus 47 divided by 2.
Add them up, divide by 2. Yep, you're finding the number in the middle of both of them. You add them up and divide by 2. I don't know if your book will have that or not. I'm really not for sure how deep it goes.
For this set of data, what does it mean to be the middle data value? For this set of data, it means that there are 2 data values below and 3 data values above the middle number. For this set of data, what is the median or middle data value?
We said 63.
The median of the number of minutes of playing time is 63. Now look at another way to analyze data with one number. Identify the mode, or the data value that occurs most often in the data set.
So, mode. Can there be more than one mode? Eli, can there be more than one mode? Not just for this problem, but in general?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Mode means the number that is listed the most. So here we have 63. It's listed twice. It's listed the most. Now, if we had another digit, that number that was listed twice, we would list that one as well. If we had 3 numbers listed twice, we would list all 3 of them. Is it possible to have no mode, Corey?
Yeah.
Corey, close that. I am teaching. You are not playing on a device. Thank you. Is it possible to have no mode, Corey?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And then you simply write no mode. That means each number in your set of data is only listed once.
How many times do you see the number 63 in the set of data?
Twice.
The number 63 is in the data set twice. The mode of the number of minutes of playing time is 63. Here is another way to represent the data with one number. Let's find the range for the number of minutes of playing time.
What does range mean, Ethan?
Take the littlest number and the biggest number and subtract them.
Yes, take the high minus the low.
Identify the range or the difference between the greatest and least values. What is the greatest value in the data set?
72.
The greatest value is 72. What is the least value?
59.
The least value is 59. What is the range of the number of minutes of playing time? To find the range, subtract 59 from 72 to find the difference between the greatest and least values. The range of the number of minutes of playing time is 13. Median, mode, and range help describe and characterize data sets.
All right. Corinne, would you get the lights, please? Let's go to guided practice in your book. Let's do number 2. In the guided practice 18-8, I don't know what page number. 18-8, 452 and 453. We're doing number 2 in your guided practice. Move it to my screen.
You push your X. Put your X on it. You push the
Yeah, because I want to write on it. Okay, so it doesn't list mean, but we're also going to find the mean. We're finding the mean, median, mode, range for all of these. All right, I have them all listed right here. Mean, median, mode, range. So I'm going to put my answers right here. First step, always to do what, Chloe? Yes. In this case, they already are in numerical order. Okay? So by looking at this, I can easily do range and median and mode. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers in our set, which means that we're going to have a median, a middle number. If we get rid of 2 on each side, we're left with 1 in the middle, which is 23. It is our middle number. It is our median. Remember, median, middle, mode, Braxton. 21. Mode means what, Braxton? Yes, mode looks similar to the word most. And so 21 is our mode. It's listed twice. No other number is listed twice. Range. How do we find that, Brody?
range.
Mm-hmm.
The smallest number minus the biggest number.
Okay. Not the smallest minus the biggest, but the biggest minus the smallest. We're going to take 43 minus 21 equals 22. Now we find our mean. Our mean is the one that takes the most work. So we need to add these up first and then find the average. 21 plus 21 plus 23 plus 32 plus 43. I write these vertically, not horizontally, because I cannot easily add horizontally. So those of you that are still writing them horizontally, okay, that's fine if you put them in order horizontally, then you still need to write them vertically to add, okay? Up and down, because it's causing some of us troubles whenever we add, we're getting them wrong, okay? We shouldn't be getting them wrong anymore. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 140 is my sum. Yes. Okay. I'm not done yet. What am I dividing by, Gabe? 5, because there are 5 numbers in my set of data. 5 goes into 14 2 times. minus 10 equals 4. Bring down to 0. 5 goes into 40 evenly 8 times. Minus 40 equals 0. 28 is the mean. Like I said, guys, the hard part is not going to be knowing how to do some of these, because it's just going to be keeping the definition straight. Make sure you're doing the right procedure for each one of these. Yes?
You can go on study jams and there's this song. It was like means, average, and everything.
Well, let's find it.
Stuff like that.
All right. Hold on.
Wrong one.